Welcome to Innovision, where we explore the cutting edge of tomorrow's technology today. In this video, we're diving into food safety technology that's reshaping our future. Let's jump into today's 10 cool technologies. #1 Smart Packaging for Freshness. Keep food fresh longer with smart packaging. Packaging will contain sensors that detect spoilage and maintain optimal freshness. These sensors will monitor factors like temperature, humidity, and gas levels inside packaging, ensuring the food remains fresh for a longer period. #2 AI-powered Food Safety Audits. Instant food safety checks using AI. AI systems will be able to conduct real-time food safety inspections by analyzing data from sensors embedded in food products. These systems will detect bacteria, spoilage, and contamination by analyzing visual, chemical, and biological data in real time, ensuring safer consumption. 3. Blockchain for traceability. Track every step of your food's journey. Blockchain technology will be used to track food from farm to table, providing transparent and immutable records of its entire journey. Consumers will be able to scan food packaging and access detailed information on the food's origin, processing, and handling, ensuring quality and ethical practices. #4 Nano-Sensors for Contaminant Detection. Detect contamination at a microscopic level. Nanotechnology will enable sensors to detect harmful pathogens or chemicals in food at the molecular level. These sensors will identify toxins, pesticides, or bacteria that may be invisible to the naked eye, improving food safety before consumption. #5 3D Printed Food Safety Monitoring. 3D print your food with built-in safety features. 3D printed food will have integrated safety monitoring systems that alert consumers about potential risks in real time. As food is printed layer by layer, sensors within the 3D printing process will monitor temperature, contamination, and structural integrity, ensuring the food is safe to consume. 6. Automated food storage systems. Safely store food with automated systems. Automated storage systems will be developed to maintain the ideal environment for each type of food, extending shelf life and reducing food waste. These systems will control temperature, humidity, and airflow to preserve the freshness of produce, dairy, and meat products, while minimizing the risk of spoilage. #7 Smart Fridges with built-in sensors. Keep food safe and fresh with a smart fridge. Future fridges will have advanced sensors to monitor food safety, temperature, and spoilage in real time. These fridges will alert users when food is near its expiration date, when temperatures rise beyond safe levels, or if contamination is detected inside the fridge. 8. Smart Food Labeling Systems. Know exactly what's in your food with smart labels. Labels embedded with RFID tags and sensors will provide real-time data on food's freshness, nutrient content, and safety status. These labels will allow consumers to scan food products and instantly access detailed information, ensuring they make informed decisions about food safety and quality. 9. Real-time food contamination alerts. Get notified if your food is unsafe to eat. Mobile apps and wearable devices will receive real-time alerts if food becomes contaminated or unsafe due to improper handling. Sensors in food packaging or in the environment will send alerts directly to the user's phone or wearable, allowing for immediate action to be taken to avoid consuming unsafe food. #10 AI-driven food safety standards. Ensure consistent food safety with AI. AI systems will monitor and enforce food safety standards by analyzing trends and predicting potential risks across supply chains. These systems will analyze vast amounts of data from farms, suppliers, and distributors to prevent contamination or health risks, making food production and distribution safer. And that's our glimpse into the future of food safety for today. If you found this interesting, remember to hit that subscribe button. This is Innovision, where we're always looking ahead to what's next in technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.